Hi all. Today a video lesson will be on Hebbuli Theme music. So we are playing in C sharp minor. The song is in C minor. So I'm doing in like C sharp minor. So we have this first riff. So that's the thing. So we have a fifth string 4 4 2 4 5 4. So next we go. So we start the same way, 4 4 2 4 5 7. Again back to the first line. So that's your first intro part. You can keep it like riff 1. Then the same riff is played with like a power chord, like you can add the fifth chord there. So you can just like, so that is C sharp, B, C sharp, B, C sharp. So 1 2 3 4. Then again 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So now same thing riff, like now it is played with next riff, it extends again. So we have so we'll just do with one string, then you can add that fifth chord power chord version with the distortion. So this one will go, so 4 4 2 4 5 4 on the fifth string. So the first and the second line are played continuously in this here. That's your third line again, that's the first line. Now this here, the fourth line. So now you have 4 7 8 7 5 4 on the fifth string. So now if you just play the same thing with the distortion. So then one more riff is there, one more. So I'm just like, so you can do on that octave also, but you can shift to the next octave, that is on third string, 6th fret. So 6 9 10 6 9 7. So again 6 9 10, we go 7 6 on the ending note. So again repeat the same line. Then again you can go back to that. On the third string you can add like 2 bars and then you can add. So that is the same frets, like we have 6 6 4 6 7 back to 6. So 6 6 4 6 7 6, same. Then we end on 9. So 6 6 4 6 7 9. Again back to 6 6 4 6 7 9. Sorry. Back to first line, then the fourth line will be 6